So what I've learned in these times is not particularly when the horse chooses to fall asleep with you, but what is important is when the horse wakes up that you're still there. Don't stand on me, Fuzzy. Boundaries. So it's important to wait. So when they wake up, you're still there.